Hi and hello! Today I'm going to take you on a magic carpet ride down to my living room.
Huh?
That's where I'll show you the simplest and cheapest upgrade you'll ever make to your already existing home decor. You probably won't even need to buy anything. If you do, you probably need like one item. And that's it. It's super easy, super low energy, something to keep you going, keep you motivated on days where you're not feeling your best maybe, or need something to take your mind off things, but don't really want to put a whole lot of focus. I got you. We're going to do a very mind-numbing project today. Something very... You will not be able to mess this up. But maybe we will. I don't know. I've never actually done this and I don't know how it'll work. So I guess we're also going to see how it comes out. Behind me are 3 paintings that we're going to be painting the rim of gold today. Not Kramer. Don't look at Kramer. Kramer's not getting... Yeah. These three here. I've already gotten the green light to go ahead and paint them. I think that it would look a lot better. They have kind of this like beige wooden frame. And don't care for it. Doesn't pop out enough for me. So why don't we make it pop real quick? And let's see how it goes. We gotta take these down off the wall first. So let's remove... Okay. That was easy. Probably should wipe them down too real quick. You know, you never want to paint over dust. You never want to give it that landlord special. Always make sure you're starting fresh and clean. And things always look nicer. We want things to look nice, don't we? Just give it a quick swipe. Probably don't need all that much. Ooh, that one was real dusty. Just wiped these down not too long ago. What's going on in here? But this should be a real simple and easy thing. This shouldn't really be anything too complicated, I hope. I'll be really irritated if it is. Lord only knows. Alright, I'll give you a little bit of... You like that? Do you like my ASMR? I could do it again for you. Yeah, how was that one? Was that one any better? Glad to hear it. I'm glad you think so. Maybe I can give you a little... I think this will look so much better though. It's definitely going to need 2 coats. 2 coats for sure. This is not a 1-coater. It's the only thing about this gold paint. I love this gold paint. I love putting it on like everything. I got, no, I got paint on the canvas. I think it'll be okay though. Oh my god. No! 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 What is it? Madness! Nobody was there! He's such a cool dog. He's so unique. I swear, I tell Zach all the time, I said he knows. He knows what time is. He knows when it's close for you to like be getting home and stuff. Like he can tell. I don't know how he tells, but he knows. Certain time of the day rolls around, he starts getting jumpy at every sound. He knows someone's coming into the driveway soon. He'll go to the door, wait, realize he's not here yet. Walk back here, waddle of sadness. It will be him and we'll know because he'll run like super fast, grab his ball. So excited. And that's what we love about him. He is great. So here it is currently. And this is before we do another coat, so it's not done. This is the old, ooh, 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 ooh. It's already popping. Woo! Excited. I love doing this. I love it. I live for it. I must have it. I think I'm going to try the bigger brush now. Instead of the little tiny baby one. I think I want to do the big brush. Oh, I thought I ruined something. Oh, I like this one better. This covers more area. Oh, I should have been using this one. What a mistake. That's alright. No time wasted. Knowledge earned. Ooh, I'm just another kind of girl. And you wanna see my world. Now let's go run away. Oh, chicka, check these out. Ooh, we were loving these. Look how simple it is. You just take something you already own and you just make it better. These are looking really good. These are almost done, I think. Maybe like one more coat. Plus I have to do the sides still. And this one could use another coat all the way around. But so far, I think that they're looking gorgeous. I had to put a hoodie on. It's super cold in this house. And then we'll, yeah, hang them up back on the wall soon. Yep. Ah. Well, we've kind of done it. It's kind of finished. It's not done all the way yet. There are some spots on the side that I have to get still, but I think that I can apply a better coat if I wait for it to like actually dry. I'm very impatient. So we got it back up on the wall for now so it can dry in peace without getting hair attached, because I got like a lot of hair attached. Please don't tell Zachary that there's hair, like a bunch of hair. Anyways, let's move on. Over here is a great view because we got the sunlight reflecting off of it. So it's really pretty. It really looks so much better on the wall. I love that the light is reflecting off of it. If you want to know what I used, it's this gold metallic decor art. Yes, what is this? Splendid gold. Yeah, highly recommend. It's so simple, so easy, so cheap, anyone could do it. You just take something you already have, bing, bada bing, bada boom, there you go. It looks like this. And I think it came out really well. I do. I think it came out great. Great. I'm just gonna wait for these to dry, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my little touch-ups. Because as you can see, like the side over here, well, you can't really tell, but the edges need touched and done. But check out these edges, these coats. Would you have guessed that I painted these? No! I bet you wouldn't have. Well, I guess that's it and that's all. I hope you've been inspired. Get up, get down, get to it. Do something today. Get you motivated. You don't need money. You don't need lots of... Grab something, find it, random, paint it, do it up. Thanks for being here with me today. Let me know what you think about this. If you like today's project, if you like the gold better than how it was before. And I will see you next time we do a very cheap upgrade. Thank you and good night.